Hinhoo Tyre's series tires offer high safety, high mileage, high comfort, and low energy consumption. As a practitioner and promoter of the dual carbon strategy, Hinhoo Tyre has developed green, high-end, non-tube E-Series tires. Goal 1 880L8. 88 ADT38 6 AGG 719GL to 53T. Goal 28. T. Green high-end tubeless series tires. This series of tires is a new energy vehicle and fuel vehicle dual-use filter series green product developed under Hinhoo Tyre's carbon peaking and neutrality strategy. With high safety, long mileage, high comfort, and low energy consumption. Safety. Simpulsi trait. Adopt IBW Core Safety Technology. Super strong banded steel wire. Infinite belt winding process. Forming adjointments. Structure. Making the EV series tires have super high-speed durability, greatly improving the safety of long-distance transportation. The crown strength is greatly enhanced, and impact resistance effectively reduce the risk of tire blowout. New tread pattern design, ensuring the tire's grip performance on various dry and wet roads, providing better grip for new energy trucks and buses. Reduce tire slippage during starting and driving, providing more reliable handling performance. Close noise, new mileage. Super durable tire design combined with low rolling resistance and wear-resistant tread formula, making the EV series tire have low heat, high wear resistance. The driving mileage can reach 450,000 kilometers on highways. Comfy or comfy. It uses high-speed and more flexible tire steel wires, effectively improving tire safety and buffering performance. Meanwhile, the noise of EV tires is as low as 71 decibels, providing a more comfortable driving experience for trucks. Low energy. IBW optimized stiffness distribution design, combined with a new low rolling resistance formula, making the EV series tires have a more stable and uniform ground pressure distribution, greatly reducing tire rolling resistance. The rolling resistance coefficient of the EV series is B level, which can save more energy for vehicles, bringing a higher cruising and fuel economy. Hinhoo Tyre creates more value for you, making transport on wheels.